Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV, that generation here from year guys 2012 to year 2016. If you need to find where the fuse for the canister vent solenoid valve is located, which fuse you need to check, where guys you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money guys, and why it's super important to test fuses and relays. We'll cover all that absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stand till the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys, but even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So here we're going to demonstrate on 2015 Honda CRV. Fun fact about this one, you guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in just one of them, and that fuse box is located inside your Honda CRV. If you look all the way under the dash, above the pedals guys, on the left side right there on the dash, you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Okay, this thing. But before we continue guys, let's explain why it's super important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that you will need to check here guys, okay, for the canister vent valve solenoid. Okay, before we continue, you can see next to each fuse you have a number. That makes it really convenient. You can see the bottom numbers are for the bottom row, the top ones are for the top row. And the fuses guys that you will need to check for the canister vent valve solenoid is fuse number 2. We're talking about that fuse right here. If we zoom out a little bit, okay, that fuse will be right there, that one, so we can see where it's located. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.